So today in the Carpartment, I think the engine is coming out of Tinkerbell. Is the plan to have it completely out of the car today? Okay. They apparently have sort of a record going with this and used to be super quick with it, but Tinkerbell has not had her engine out in quite a while, so they might be out of practice.
When was the last time? I'm here to pick up bolts off.
Yeah, when was the last time?
7 years ago?
7 years ago. People keep asking me.
That's probably too far. 6 years?
I actually had somebody this week go, "Don't y'all do that like every 6 months on a rotary?" And I'm like, no.
This car, in its life of 18 years of racing, this is its third motor. Well,
Third motor in 18 years of racing. All right, so they think water seal. It's a bad water seal.
bad water seal.
When we got back from OUSCI, Brian went to back it out of the trailer, and it marked its territory pretty good. But
That was not really it.
that wasn't it.
The car started and blew water out the tailpipe.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. It tried to die on you when you started it, didn't it? Yeah, and water out the tailpipe. So, anyway, she'll be back stronger than ever and ready to run events next year. And then we got to work on those two cars in the coming months as well.
Pull what? Pull down? Out? Oh, there's a nut. You're picking up rocks too. Is that track rocks? Yep.
It could be autocross rocks too.
Those are special rocks? Where'd you put those?
Those rocks probably came from Vegas.
Do what?
Those rocks probably came from Vegas.
Vegas rocks? Those are special. Maybe you can sell them to somebody.
Those are OUSCI rocks. They put them on eBay. It's still purple. It's not real black.
It's still purple. Nothing's attached to it anymore. Remember, what did we got tied off with it? Oh, that bleed off valve for the turbos.
Yeah. Ditched the twin turbos, we didn't need that. Boy, everything got a lot simpler, didn't it?
Yeah.
One downpipe.
That came off easy. Oh, V-band. Gotta love it.
V-bands. Remember how we used to fight the downpipe on the old motor? Our old turbo setup? Yeah. We can do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
The turbo technology has been there.
Well, yeah, that's true. Oh my God, could you imagine if they had this technology then when they built this car? This thing doing 400 horsepower back in the frickin' early 90s? There wouldn't have been a car made that would have touched it.
Right.
They wouldn't have gone that high then.
Too much liability.
Yeah.
I mean, this car's, it's a handful.
Yeah, the only thing I don't remember is how did we deal with the fuel remember vaguely when we had the other one that we would unbolt it and leave it behind. But obviously we have to, the fuel comes into it. Where does it come in at? Oh,
The 3 lines?
over here, yeah, on the
You gotta
thing.
take the overlay off.
Yeah, because it's underneath there. Yep. I remember now. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong, buddy? Gasket.
Can I go down a little bit?
Yeah. Oh, my toes. Okay, need a pair of hose clamps or pliers. You got a little cup or something? This
We
one's
didn't pop the gasket cap.
yeah. Voila. Magic.
It's a little thing.
Yeah, here. One from my hot octane.
Smells like a race gas.
Woo! Whoops. Stuck on that pipe.
Yeah.
Shit all over the place. Well, you know the nice thing about getting oil all over a car? Nothing
Preserves
rusts.
everything.
What's that?
Preserves everything.
That's right, nothing rusts. It feels like we've done this before. Okay.
Well, I need to go ahead and pull the nut off the tire plug frame.
Well, somebody has to be under there because you have to guide. Remember, you have to go to training on it. All right. Okay. Oh, we're pressed against the firewall. Hold on.
There it is. It's loose.
So the problem is that now I know why we took off the fuel pressure regulator. It's stuck on the firewall, Brian.
We'll set her back down.
Yeah.
I can hold the engine up, the tail end up if you take it off.
Yeah, but I guess. God damn it. That wasn't very easy. So it looks like a 10 millimeter. Not on the car. There it is.
Still is. Push it up.
Yeah, something. We're not. Yeah, see. Okay, so you're gonna have to push up on the bottom
I'm trying, but
because it's already smashing it into the firewall.
I mean, the only other thing I can do is use a jack.
You want me to go under there? Because I'm normally the one that's always under there pushing. Brian?
Sure.
This thing, we need something to hold this out of the way.
To hold what out of the way?
The fuel pressure regulator. It keeps falling back down. Bungee. Yeah, so we need to get lift without it leaning back until it gets those motor mounts out and can move forward a little bit, right? Because what it's doing right now is as soon as I start to lift it all, oh shit, dude, we don't have the power out of the car.
True. True that.
We ain't getting anywhere.
Yep. We got ahead of ourselves.
Yeah, we did.
Okay. You ready to pull it out?
Yeah, I guess. I need another soda. Need that rubber boot out. You got the jacket on it? Got it started. Almost.
The engine's out.
You know, it's funny how much people fight with that thing when it's actually such a simple little process if you know right where to go.
Yep.
All right.
I love racing fuel in the morning, in the afternoon.
So realistically, how long did you think it took y'all? I mean, we took a long lunch break and had to go get parts or whatever out of storage, but how long do y'all think it took?
Well, I got here at 10, actually after 10, about 10:15, right?
The car puked on Dan.
And we went to lunch at 12:30. So that's, say, 2 hours, 10:30 to 12:30, right? And then what time did we get back from lunch? I didn't even look at my watch. It's 4 now. We were talking something about...
It was before 3 when we got back, I think.
So 3 hours to get it out? 3.5 maybe?
Okay.
It's pretty quick now with the single turbo. And
But apparently, what
highfalutin
y'all
power.
forgot to unplug the computer? Is that what?
Wire harness to the computer.
Well, we didn't start pulling yet, but
We got
were
close.
about to.
Yeah. We were close.
I didn't see that part. I had the camera rolling, but I wasn't out here, so.
Like, oh shit. This might be why we're pulling back to the firewall.
It always cracks me up how, I mean, these things are tiny, but then with all the crap that goes on them, it looks like it's as big as that freaking LS was almost.
Oh, I screwed that one back in the top. Did you see it?
So here she is without her heart.
Her soul.